One morning, an English guy asked me if I can take him sightseeing on a boat trip. So I had my small pirogue and I decided to take him for a little sightseeing trip. At the end of the trip, he was so impressed that he asked me if I would like to take out further clients for him. This guy is a tour operator from England. In the next month, he had a whole group of people coming into the island, which he asked me to take out. So I take them out, sightseeing, island tour, and all the other tours that I could do for them on Tobago. And my story started there, purely by accident. My name is Michael Frank. I'm owner of Frankie Tours and Rental. I've been operating for the last 30 years. Most of my tours are water-based. I operate glass bottom boat and fast boat around the coast. What we do on a daily basis is take trips from Store Bay and Mount Irving, either to see the coastline or to go to the Book Reef and Island pools. On the Book Reef and Island pool, we mainly do snorkeling and sightseeing, and occasionally we go down to No Man's Land for beach barbecues. Most of the people we take out are locals. We have some foreigners in between. We do a lot of special interest cruises. We do many schools, many church groups. In the afternoon, lots of birthday parties, and we do some dinner cruises and sunset cruises as well. On a day-to-day basis, I take out roughly minimum 50 people. On high season, I could take out in one day over 200 people. Over the years, we have provided a long and very good service. So because of that, I have a very high return clientele. People come back from Europe, America, Canada, Trinidad, and they constantly use our services. I have universities that I've been doing for the last 15 years, still coming back. I can say I'm quite happy in what I do. Most of the challenges I face is with infrastructure. Because we're still a developing country and we do not have marina, we are faced with the problems of pulling boats out, putting them back into the water. Not enough jetties to offload and load passengers. What I've done to improve the situation, especially in the terms of pulling out and taking out, I build my own trailer. In doing so, I could take my boat out at least once every year, get them maintained, and put them back into the water. Technology plays a very important part in my business. We have websites and we invest heavily in social media. If you're away or you're anywhere, you can book a tour totally online, pay online before you get here. You can pay directly on a bank transfer, have it book confirmed, so when you get here, there's no money transaction. I have a Canadian couple who met on one of my boat trips. Frankie Tours was taking them on a boat trip around the coast. We had a day out swimming with dolphins and snorkeling. They met each other, fell in love. They went back home, came back after 2 years. Guy proposed on Frankie Tours. Last year, they came back, brought a massive group with them, and they get married on Frankie Tours. So that was one of my most memorable moments. My name is Michael Frank of Frankie Tours and Rental, and that is my tourism story.